Did you know that Ramadan encourages appreciation for the values of hard work and perseverance? Fasting teaches Muslims the value of effort and diligence in achieving goals and self-improvement. Did you know that Ramadan calls for reflection on lifestyle patterns and prioritizing values? Abstaining from certain material comforts urges Muslims to reflect on their values and redirect their attention to spiritual matters and true life goals. Did you know that Ramadan inspires positive thinking and stimulates creativity? Fasting and meditation open doors to positive thoughts and optimism, encouraging the search for new ways to self-improve and contribute to society. Did you know that Ramadan contributes to building character and improving ethical behavior? Abstaining from harmful behaviors and striving for spiritual maturity are essential parts of the Ramadan experience. So, if you didn't know, let this be an invitation to ponder the benefits of Ramadan that go beyond mere physical fasting, focusing on comprehensive improvement for